In this video, I'm about to show you how to set up a rebootable flash drive, a ISO file, and a virtual disk. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up a rebootable flash drive or a rebootable flash drive. First, you stick in your USB, which I already stuck in mine here. Make sure that your flash drive has been backed up on another computer or on another flash drive or external hard drive, because you will be formatting this flash drive. You then go into the start menu, type in CMD, right click, it's the CMD, and run as administrator. The utility you'll be using is this part. So you type in this part. You then type in list this. As you can see, only two disks are available on my machine right now. This 1 and this 0. This 0 is my hard drive. This 1 is the flash drive. We then type in select disk 1. This one has now been selected. To ensure that your disk has been selected, I like to check over to make sure that this has been selected. So I typed in again list disk. You then see an asterisk next to this one, so you know that this one has been selected. Your next move is to clean. This has successfully been cleaned. Yes, we'll need to create a partition. So you type in create partition. Primary. Success. Then select partition 1. This is considered as partition 1 because you typed in partition primary. Primary is always considered as 1. You then format. So you type in format ms &NTFS quick. If you don't type in quick, it will take a longer time. It'll be finished any minute now. Success. Now, your partition is considered deactivate. So now you have to activate. So you type in activate. Now, if you want to change the letter of your drive, you can easily type in assign. Notice the drive has already popped up here. Your flash drive popped up here. But I wouldn't go into all that right now. You then exit. Then type in exit again. And this is how you set up a rebootable or bootable flash drive. Thank you for watching. I'm about to show you how to set up an ISO file, sorry. First you go into Power ISO. Since I'm running an unregistered copy, I have to wait 3 seconds for it to continue. Okay, click continue. You go into new, data, CD and DVD. Then you either can drag your file from your desktop, or you can go into add and select a file and turn into ISO that you want to turn into ISO. In this case, I don't really want to turn anything, so I will look for anything to turn. We then go into actions, new folder, and if you want to add a folder, that is, in this case, I will just name this folder default for the sake of this tutorial. Then after you done add everything that you really wanted to add into the folder, you click save. But when saving, you save it as a standard ISO images. You name it. In this case, I will name this, let's say I'll name it even default. No, I'll name it my ISO. My ISO. And I'll save it as that. And then I'll go back onto my desktop. And you'll notice that it is saved right here. That's my ISO. And this is how you create an ISO file. I'm about to show you how to set up a virtual disk. First, you go into computers, right click, and click manage. There are other ways you can enter, but this is the easiest way I know so far. Then we go into disk management. Let it load. Then we go after to action. Then you'll see create VHD. In modern computers, in modern Windows, you'll see VHDX and normal VHD. But this Windows 7 I'm running, you wouldn't see it. So then you determine where you want to locate your VHD. For this instance, I want to locate it on my desktop. So I will name it my VHD. Save. Then you determine the size of the VHD. It is MB, gigabytes, and terabytes. So I will put mine 1 gigabyte. 1 gigabyte. Then you decide the format of the virtual disk. It could be a fixed size, which will give you 1 gigabyte of space on your hard drive, or it could be a dynamically expanding. With the dynamically expanding, how much data you put in, so much will get used. So that is for if you go into terabytes. Yeah, you could use dynamically expanding. We could then click OK. Let it load. Okay, now your virtual machine is almost finished. The next step is to initialize your disk. So you right click, then initialize. We'll use MBR for now because that's one more versatile. Alright, your disk is now online. We right click and click simple volume. We then click next because we need to make a partition. Now you can change the size of the you can change the size, but for now I will leave it as everything as is, just for the tutorial. You can also assign a letter, any letter you want. Then you make sure that all your settings are default, or any specific settings you can also put it to that. Then next and finish. Now your virtual machine is ready. As you can see, my virtual machine is ready. You then go to start menu, computer, and then you'll see your virtual machine right here to prove that the virtual machine is ready. Now if you want to delete your virtual machine, you can simply go right click, delete, remove from the list, okay, and then you notice your virtual machine is deleted. So this is how you set up a virtual hard disk.